All right, let's dive into this GitHub repository. I've seen a lot of code review tools, but this one from Alibaba has a lot of buzz around it. What's the big deal with OpenCodeReview?
OpenCodeReview is an AI-powered code review tool that originated from Alibaba Group's internal use. It's designed to handle large-scale code bases and has been used by tens of thousands of developers. It's now open source and can identify millions of code defects.
So, what makes this different from other code review tools out there?
What sets OpenCodeReview apart is its hybrid architecture. It combines deterministic pipelines with LLM agent capabilities. This allows it to perform precise line-level comments and use built-in multi-language rule sets for various issues like NPE, thread safety, XSS, and SQL injection.
That sounds impressive. How does it actually work when analyzing code?
OpenCodeReview reads Git diffs and sends the changed files to a configurable LLM via an agent that has tool use capabilities. The agent can read full file contents, search the codebase, and inspect other changed files for context, enabling deep reviews beyond just surface-level diff feedback.
What about the technical side of things? Are there any specific components or features that stand out?
One of the key technical features is the use of deterministic pipelines. This ensures that the code review process is consistent and reliable, even at scale. Another standout feature is the support for multiple language models, including OpenAI and Anthropic, which gives users flexibility and compatibility.
I see, so the tool isn't just for diff reviews. What else can it do?
Beyond diff reviews, OpenCodeReview has an OCR scan feature that can review entire files for auditing unfamiliar code bases or directories that have no meaningful diff. This is particularly useful for maintaining code quality in large projects.
That's a really useful feature. Have there been any benchmarks or comparisons to other tools?
Yes, there was a real-world code review benchmark involving 50 popular open-source repositories, 200 real pull requests, and 10 programming languages. The benchmark was cross-validated by 80-plus senior engineers and showed that OpenCodeReview significantly improves precision and phone scores while reducing token usage and review time.
Wow, that's a strong performance. Are there any limitations or caveats we should be aware of?
One limitation is that OpenCodeReview has lower recall compared to general-purpose agents, which is a deliberate trade-off in favor of precision. This means it might miss some issues, but it focuses on minimizing false positives.
Got it. What about the user experience and setup process for someone trying to use this tool?
The setup is straightforward. You just need to configure a model endpoint. It has a comprehensive GitHub action setup, and you can use it as a GitHub PR review tool with inline comments, sticky summary, and incremental non-destructive posting.
That sounds user-friendly. How about the licensing and community support?
OpenCodeReview is open source and uses a permissive license. It's actively maintained and has a strong community. It's also been validated by the OpenSSF and has a gold badge for best practices, indicating a high level of security and maintainability.
All right, what about the technical architecture? How is the code structured?
The architecture is built to be scalable and efficient. It has a modular design with separate components for the terminal interface, agent runtime, and configuration management. This allows for flexibility and ease of maintenance as the project evolves.
That's a solid design. Are there any custom rules or configurations users can define?
Yes, users can define custom rules through a JSON file and pass it to the OCR review command. This allows for tailored code reviews based on specific project requirements and guidelines.
Great. What kind of support does the project offer for different platforms and agents?
OpenCodeReview supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It's compatible with various agents like Claude Code, Codex, and Cursor, making it versatile for different development environments and workflows.
Finally, who should actually care about this repository?
Anyone working on large-scale code bases or looking for a powerful, efficient code review tool that integrates seamlessly with their workflow and supports multiple languages and models.